ultrasonic imaging system. The term ultrasound refers to acoustical waves above the range of human hearing. It is the frequency higher than 20,000 Hz. The medical ultrasound system operate at frequencies of up to 10 MHz or more. An ultrasonic wave is acoustical. It is the mechanical wave in gaseous, liquid, and solid matter. Such mechanical waves consist of alternating areas of higher and lower pressures called compression and rarefaction zones respectively. Ultrasonic imaging is used in medicine, engineering, geology, and other scientific areas. Radio signals are electromagnetic waves, while medical ultrasignals signals are acoustical. What are the properties of ultrasound? The ultrasound rays are invasive. Ultrasound rays are extremely externally applied and that the diagnostic ultrasound is applied for obtaining images of almost the entire range of internal organs in the abdomen. These includes like kidney, liver and spleen and major blood vessels, etc. It has been usefully employed to present pictures of the thyroid gland, eyes and breast and variety of other superficial structures. In a number of medical meaningful cases, ultrasonic diagnostic has made possible that the detection of cysts, tumors or cancer in these organs. What are the characteristics of your ultrasound? And easily focused, it is easily focused and their directional and beams can be obtained with very little spread. They are inaudible. By using high frequency ultrasonic waves, which are associated with shorter wavelength, it is possible to investigate the properties of very small structures. Information obtained by ultrasound, particularly in dynamic studies, can be acquired by any other more convenient technique. What are the use of ultrasound in medical field? The use of ultrasound in medical field can be divided into two major categories. One is the therapeutic and diagnostic. The major difference between the two applications is the ultrasonic power level. The therapeutic application, the system operates at ultrasonic power levels of several watts per square centimeter, while the diagnostic equipment it is in the 100 watts per square centimeter. The therapeutic equipment is designed to agitate the tissue to the level where thermal heating occurs in the tissue and extremely experimentally have been found to quite successful in its effects for the treatment of muscular alignments such as lung. For diagnostic purpose, on the other hand, as long as a sufficient amount of signal has returned for electronic processing, no additional energy is necessary. Therefore, considerably lower ultrasonic power levels are employed for diagnostic applications. So this is the ultrasonography instrument. There is a transducer and keyboard, and then there is a acquisition and display control. It is the screen, okay, that the image will be. So you detailly study each and every point. So this is the ultrasonic imaging system, black diagram. So that the patient, the ultrasonic wave, it will be transmitting and releasing using switches, and that the signal is pre-amplified and it may be converted into analog to digital signal. Okay, it is the beamformer. It is a digital steering focusing beam summation, and it will be given to a receiver. Okay, that the receiver will receive the signal and compression, rectification, rejection, and the scan converter. It may be memory device or digital interface or post processor storage, and the image is stored. In image data acquisition, the images are created using the pulse echo mode format of ultrasound production and detection. Each pulse is directly transmitted into the patient, and the experimental partial reflection from tissue interfaces that clear echoes which return to the transducer. Image formation using pulse echo approach requires a number of hardware components. The first one, beamformer. The beamformer is responsible for generating the electronic delays for individual transducer element in an array to achieve transmit and receive focusing and in phased arrays beam steering. The second one, pulsar, it provides the electronic voltage for exciting the piezoelectric transducer elements, controls the output transmit power by adjustment of the applied voltage. The third one, transmit and receiving switch. The transmit receive switch is synchronized with the pulsar, isolate the high voltage associated with the pulsating from the sensitive amplification stages during receive mode, with the induced voltage ranging from approximately 1 volt to 2 microvolt from the retaining source. The pre-amplification and A to bar deconversion. In multi-element array transducer, all pre-processing steps are performed in parallel. Each transducer element produces a small voltage proportional to the pressure amplitude of the returning echoes. And in initial pre-amplification increases the detected voltage to useful signal levels. Typical sampling rate is 20 to 40 MHz when 8 to 12 bits of precision is used. ADCs with larger bit density and sampling rates are necessary for systems that digitize the signal directly from the pre-amplification stage. The next one, beam steering, dynamic focusing and signal summation. Echo reception includes electronic delays to adjust for beam direction, dynamic receive focusing to align the phase of detected echoes from individual elements in the array as a function of echo time. In digital beam former system, this is accomplished with the digital processing algorithm. The output signal represents the acoustic information which is sent to the receiver for further processing before entering into the 2D image. In receiver side, subsequent signal processing occurs in the following sequence: gain adjustment and dynamic frequency tuning, dynamic range compression, rectification, demodulation, and envelope direction is done, and rejection of some other waveform and viewing on the monitors. In echo display mode, there are three types of mode: amplitude mode, brightness mode, and motion mode. In amplitude mode is the simplest form of ultrasound imaging and is not frequently used. Okay, the ultrasound wave that comes out of the probe travels in a narrow pencil-like straight path. The B-scan mode is very similar to the A-scan mode. The strength of the returning wave is recorded by a bright dot. The brightness of the dot represents the strength of the returning wave. The brighter the dot, the stronger is the returning wave. The letter B of the scan represents brightness. For M mode, ultrasound displays the position of structures with respect to time. Therefore, M mode is good indicator of the velocity of structures that move within the body. So this is the baby in the ultrasound. It is the image. You will see the image using the machine. What is the requirement for real-time ultrasonic imaging system? It requires the high resolution. That is very important. High resolution or the ability of the system to resolve fine spatial dimension is a key performance requirement. Resolution of 1 to 3 mm in all three spatial dimensions is desirable for a number of diagnostic studies like the early detection of tumors and other pathological conditions. For long range, this requires depth range varies considerably for different anatomical studies. For example, range of 25 to 30 centimeters is desirable for abdominal and studies. For cardiac studies, the distance from the chest wall to the positional heart wall is around 15 centimeters or more. The superficial organs like the breast, thyroid, and other femoral arterial infant studies, the range of the depth is around 3 to 10 centimeters. Adequate field of view. The field of view should be large enough to display the entire region under examination and to provide a useful prospective view of an organ of interest. For cardiac imaging, sector scans are preferable to rectilinear scans since large structure is to be viewed through a small window. An angle of 60 degrees is adequate they simultaneously view most of the hall. Sufficient high frame rate and high directivity is also needed. In real-time imaging system, the frame rate should be rapid enough to resolve the important motions and to obtain the image without undesirable smell. Most of these requirements are met with a frame rate of around 30 frames per second. The directivity, it is the ability of the imaging system to effectively capture the process and display very wide dynamic range of signals, which may in turn help to detect an image, other abnormal structure or process. Poor system detectivity means it's a lack of readability and picture quality, which is often apparent in the visual display of ultrasonography.